As data drives every decision in today's world, Prospecta leads the way in enterprise data management, bringing trust, consistency, and control to complex ERP landscapes. Recognized as a niche player in the latest Gartner Magic Quadrant for Master Data Management and chosen as a finalist for the SAP Global Supply Chain Management Partner Excellence Awards, Prospecta supports Fortune 500 companies globally across multiple industries. Now think about this. Your assets run 24/7, but your asset data? Not quite. Equipment records are incomplete. Classifications exist, but aren't enforced. EPC handovers show up late and in the wrong format. That's the reality in the field. And behind it all, constant challenges, data coming in from everywhere, heavy dependence on SMEs, duplicate records, inconsistent systems. The same issues every single day. Fix the data. And here's what happens. 30 to 40% reduction in migration effort, 60% faster asset onboarding, with AI doing the classification, a 25% improvement in preventive maintenance compliance, clean asset hierarchies from day one, reduced MTTR, and time to first value in under 3 months. These aren't projections. They are consistent results across SAP EAM deployments. Asset data is everywhere, from field walkdowns and work orders to inspections, GIS, and IoT feeds. And with MDO, it all comes together in one intelligent flow, where data is validated, enriched, and governed through automated workflows and full audit trails, transforming raw inputs into a clean, compliant SAP Asset Master that's ready for analytics and action. Meet MDO Assets for SAP. One platform, every SAP EAM domain. Functional location, equipment master, bill of material, maintenance plan and item, task list, measurement point, or work center. Standards aligned to ISO 14224, ISO 55000, CFIHOS, and IEC 81346. Built in, not bolted on. On a busy industrial site, a simple pump becomes more than just equipment. It becomes structured intelligence. With MDO, asset data is captured in line with ISO 14224, defining what to collect, from equipment hierarchy to failure modes and reliability metrics, while simultaneously aligning with ISO 81346 to standardize how it is named, structured, and located. What starts as fragmented inputs transforms into a fully classified, traceable, and governed asset, complete with a consistent reference tag, turning raw operational data into a reliable, compliant, and analytics-ready foundation for smarter asset management. Now let's understand Kai, MDO's AI assistant, with an example. A field engineer flags a leaking pump on a work order and asks Kai to update the task list in plain, simple language. Kai picks it up instantly, understands the issue, and prepares the right changes. It validates everything, raises a change request, and with one click, it's live in SAP. What used to take days now takes minutes. At the world's largest mining company, Kai is already driving 90% automation for Material Master and 60% for Asset Master, cutting days of triage down to minutes with zero disruption to the field. That's MDO Assets for SAP. Governed from day one, powered by Kai. Request a demo today.